This is why you need passion and a bit of elbow grease. Meet our old friend, the Audi that time forgot. Once a rusty relic, now a rising star. The journey begins with stripping away years of neglect, sanding, grinding, and prepping for the magic. Every bolt tightened, every dent smoothed out. The engine roars back to life, a symphony of power. Fresh paint gleaming under the sun, and the interior, pure luxury. From rust to road royalty, this Audi's transformation shows what passion and dedication can achieve. So, if you've got a dream car collecting dust, remember, every classic deserves a second chance. Keep dreaming, keep restoring. Subscribe for more incredible transformations.